Hey guys, how's it going? Bringing you a brand new video. Today we're talking about currently it's Aureus Greenway Holdings Inc. And I'm going to be talking about what they do now and kind of the big background to what's going on here, and why I think they're a pretty good pick right now for what they're doing. So currently, they're a public golf course and clubs in Kissimmee in Florida, which obviously has nothing. They're down on revenue. They don't make any money, and they're a failing business, which all sounds terrible. But they're doing a reverse merger with Power US, I think they're pronounced. And their ticker recently changed to PUSA, which sounds extremely patriotic and American. And well, backing that is two of Trump's sons who got into the drone interceptor company, which is Power US here, which is doing the reverse merger with this Aureus Greenway Holdings Inc. And so what that means is it's going to be a lot easier for them to go public and basically be tradable, and generate income a lot quicker. Not that they're not already generating income, but basically become a public company and tradable a lot quicker than just going through the normal route. So the ticker did change. I believe it used to be AGH, but now it's PUSA. The market cap is only 100 million, which is absolutely insane. And it's currently trading at just under $5 a share. So I do want to point out, if the market cap goes to $1 billion, this thing trades for just under $50 a share, which is absolutely wild. And $1 billion today is not a lot of money when it comes to the stock market, obviously. But I did want to bring and kind of bridge the connection here with the two sons here. It just kind of just talks about the deal and how this is more kind of, again, bridging the gap between why this merger is happening and how these two are kind of back in the company and basically all in cahoots here. This is just a simple PBS article. I think it was late last year where they kind of started getting into business together. And then currently now, I wanted to bring up too, this is an article about how they are in phase 2 of the Pentagon's $1 billion drone dominance program. And if you've been following the news at all, world news, drone warfare is the next thing, the next big thing. As unfortunate as it is, not to get into the political side of it, but obviously the president has been kind of pumping all these X, Y, and Z stocks the past couple of months. If his sons are going to be kind of backing a stock here, and they are in the process of producing drones for different things like defense. And this is just right off their website. They had a pretty neat website, very user-friendly, very good with kind of attaching news and everything. But this is what they do now. And I'm just, like I said, just kind of connecting the dots here. But if drone warfare is the future of warfare and they produce drones for different things like defense and to be used in, sea and different, this, I believe this is at a refinery or some type of oil area, but obviously it's their drones they're using. Again, if it's his kids back in the company, chances are the company is going to do pretty good. There's definitely going to be favoritism and insider trading, whatever you want to call it. The point I'm trying to make is the stock's trading for just under $5 a share, and the market cap's only 100 million. So I'm going to take that and run with it. I did indicate I'm definitely going to show my position somewhere on the screen here at this point. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video here about this. And if you made it this far, consider being a member. I'm definitely doing more research and try to find stocks like this before they pop off and share them with you guys. So if you can become a member, I'd greatly appreciate that. It'd be really, really big help for me. And I really appreciate it. But yeah, I plan my strategy here is I bought 2,500 shares. Like I said, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. And the currents, my large portion right now is in space, Virgin Galactic, not SpaceX. But I'm probably gonna take a lot of profit from that and put it into here. They are going to change the name and complete the reverse merger, I believe, sometime over this month. So I'll definitely be doing an update video here shortly. And this is just kind of to put the word out there. But definitely interesting thing to keep an eye on. Again, trading under for $5 and market cap's only 100 million. There's definitely going to be a lot of room to run here. If they start getting government contracts, and again, the president's kids are involved too. So it's just like it just seems too easy almost in a way. So definitely take that information and do with it what you want. But I will definitely be purchasing more shares here in the near future, and just seeing where this goes. It seems like whenever Trump says a stock, he says Dell, he says IBM, he says anything, it shoots up 50%. This definitely has the potential to be around for a while. And like I said, as unfortunate as it is, drone warfare definitely being the future of warfare. So any way that's involved, even if these are just used for defense, offense, whatever, just drones in general, as you've seen, like I said, if you're anywhere in just the politics of the world, you've seen them been used before. So thanks for watching. If you made this far, again, considering liking, subscribing, be a member, greatly appreciate it. Bye guys.